So this park will be enjoyed by children from all walks of life.
We are officially renaming Southeast Area Park to Bicentennial Park. And it's named in commemoration of our city's 200th anniversary and really symbolizes our values and where we want to go in the future, which is to be a more inclusive city for all.
It's a very underutilized park. There's a lot of space. It's an area that could use some reinvestment in the community. It's a gateway in that southeast corner of the city.
The bicentennial anniversary has really been a celebration of how far we've come and where we want to go in the future, which is we want to create a future in Ann Arbor where no one is left behind. It's more inclusive, where everyone can have an exceptional life here. And this park really symbolizes that.
We'll be putting in the city's first splash pad. It's going to be a universally accessible splash pad, a new playground structure. We will be renovating the pavilion. We'll be renovating the restrooms here. We will also be looking to pave all of the parking lots, all of the walkways to make this truly an accessible park.
But we still need $1 million to just get the splash pad built. And until we can do that, we can't put shovels in the ground, unfortunately.
I think this is going to become one of the gems of the park system.
Imagine yourself being part of the legacy of a park that children are able to enjoy for years to come.